All right, Ben, you want me to introduce this?
Sure. I don't even know what I'm doing.
All right. The challenge was, Ben, perform a dance you think birds would enjoy. And I said, Ben, here's a challenge.
I'm going to do my best.
All right.
All right. I think this is what birds might enjoy.
That was
Bravo. Beautiful.
shockingly coherent.
That was great.
That was so good.
Bravo.
I think a bird would enjoy that.
I think a bird would enjoy the heck out of that.
Yeah.
The bird
100%.
cocking noise was
I
really
like that.
good.
Yeah, the bird cocked itself. That was
Yeah.
impressive. Yeah.
Ben, if you still got one of those around, I got a secret for you too for next time.
Yeah.
Tug on the tail of one you've still got on your hand. Gently tug down on the tail. It raises the arms.
Oh.
Heck yeah.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
What a neat thing.
I think there was some nice bouncy shell wasabi there too. Yeah. Sounded like.
Nice. All right.
Thanks, Ben.
Thanks, man.
I had no idea what I was doing. Sick.
That was
Glad it
awesome.
worked.
This has also answered my question I had earlier in the run of what would Brutalist dance look like.